Okay, so this is called the ones and tens regrouping placemat, and this is for subtraction. And so I'm going to show you two different ways of doing it. Now, as always, it's better if you have actual manipulators on your table and your kids can use them. But for whatever reason, or if you need something a bit different for students, to have it all visually in one place, this is a good little tool. So you're going to start off with your whole number, your 20. So I've got two tens. It's best if you have a light color and a dark color. So students can go ahead and sort of outline what they have. You can color it if they like with a light color. We've got two rods, two tens, and 0 ones. From there, I'm going to go ahead and start subtracting. 7 from 0, I can't take away, I have no ones. But I can then on this side take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves me with 3 ones. And how many tens are left? Well, just one whole 10. So 13. I'll do the same thing with 25 over on this side. So I've got 5 ones. And then I have 2 tens. I'm going to take away 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. And then one whole 10 left, one whole rod.